Hello, everyone. I'm Angel Lam, the Director of Marketing and Recruitment of Toronto Metropolitan University International College, TMUIC. Canam has been an important partner of TMUIC. Right from the beginning of the college established, Canam has been sending us great quality students. For example, one of our top score students who achieved a GPA of 4.0 was awarded for the principal list. He was recruited by Canam. So Canam counselors are professional and they are experts in the Canadian education and the visa application. So TMUIC, previously known as Ryerson University International College, locates in the heart of downtown Toronto, the biggest city in Canada. TMUIC students study the programs on TMU's campus and are taught by TMU's instructors. We offer the UTP Stage 2 programs, that is the International Year 1, with individual support to students, both on academic and their well-being. These programs run in smaller class size and longer teaching hours. Over 90% of the TMU's programs consist of experiential learning. This includes co-ops, internships, and real-life projects. There are 10 on-campus incubators, and they act as a gateway to the university for startups, talent, research, and industry partners, and provide experiential learning opportunities for TMU students. The DMZ, one of the best on-campus incubators in the world, offers great opportunities for startups and our students. At TMUIC, we offer programs including business management, international economics and finance, psychology, environment and urban sustainability, creative industries, and professional communication, etc. Upon successful completion of the International Year 1 and achieve the Progression C GPA, students will then progress to TMU's second year. So please come and meet me in person at the events in September. In case you are unable to see us in person, you can connect with me virtually in room number 13 on 7th to 18th of September at your convenient time. I look forward to seeing you. Thank you.